Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Baseus Smart Eye Series Rechargeable Folding Reading Desk Lamp. This isn't just any ordinary desk lamp. It's a smart light that's ushering in a whole new era of lighting technology. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need a smart desk lamp? Well, let me give you 6 compelling reasons why this is an absolute must-have for your workspace. First and foremost, the adaptive brightness mode is a game-changer. It can adjust to 500 lumens according to the environment, providing the perfect brightness for reading without straining your eyes. The folding design and small base make it incredibly convenient and space-saving. Plus, the rectangular illuminating surface ensures maximum coverage on your desktop. But that's not all. This lamp is equipped with full-spectrum RA is greater than or equal to 95 Cre, which means it can display true colors of objects and make your work stand out. With its smart Recognize Environments Auto-Adjust Brightness feature, you can say goodbye to constantly having to adjust the brightness yourself. This lamp does it for you. Thanks to its built-in sensing elements and customized smart chip. The 13+ hours of battery life means you can take this lamp anywhere. Whether you're working at your desk or reading in bed, you can rely on its long-lasting power. And finally, the elegant design and certified quality make it a no-brainer. Not to mention, it's available in 2 sleek colors, dark gray and white. So, if you're ready to upgrade your workspace and bring in a new era of smart lighting, click the link in the description to check out the Baseus Smart Eye Series Rechargeable Folding Reading Desk Lamp. Your eyes and your work will thank you for it. Don't wait. Get yours today.